Hey guys, it's Ashley and I'm at 308 Virginia Trail. This is a great home located in the sought-after neighborhood, Monticello Acres. This home has so much to offer, including a 3-car garage. You have main level living. The laundry room is huge. So much storage throughout the house. The quality of the materials that were used in this home, absolutely top notch. The molding is gorgeous. Lots of wainscoting throughout. Beautiful hardwood floors, formal dining room, formal living room, huge kitchen. Upstairs, there's actually 4 bedrooms and all the bedrooms are very spacious. Both of them are Jack and Jill's, so you have 2 full bathrooms up there as well. Downstairs is a finished basement with a wet bar, and you have a great sunroom downstairs as well that could be used as a greenhouse or a sitting area. The backyard is very private. That at one point in time was an English garden. So sit back and enjoy this tour.